No, we're not hurting them.
Yes, you are because look, those birds out there. I'm waiting for you guys to leave so you can come over here and take care of the baby chicks.
Let them finish taking care of the baby chicks, girls. Okay? Where's Nick?
She's over there walking towards the birds.
Watching, making sure they're okay.
The mom just wanting to do something with those birds, but they're scared of you guys being here.
Yeah, the birds know they're wanting to come over here and take care of the birds. They're not going to come. I don't care what it looks like. They're not going to come over here and take care of them. I understand.
We're not harming them, Dad, Mom. We're helping them. This one looks a little different.
Don't take them in. Watch your head.
That looks like an owl. Its face.
Okay, I'll use it now.
And that's a big owl too.
I know, but it's a big girl. Ooh, look at her. Her face. I'm looking at her. I'm looking at her. Let's go.
Leave them alone, Dad.
I like them. They're my friends.
Yeah.
They is the birds. They're going to be able to see them.
I'm not going to talk to them.
They need the parents, and the parents ain't gonna come over here and I get them over here.
Yeah.
I know that already. I just. I'm just looking at mine. Yeah, me too. I was trying to see if it was an owl. Oh, we'll let you guys see. The other bird's not an owl, but there's two of them out. No.